Hello everyone, I recommend using graphic tablet for this tutorial, but you can also use your mouse. Let's first go to Window, Actions, and in the upper right corner there's this menu. Click it and make sure that Allow to Recording is checked. Now click here on this little plus icon to create a new action and just click Record. Now let's create a new layer and just type the text like this. And when you're finished, click here to stop recording. Now let's hide layer 1. Let's select our action in the action panel. So select your action. Make sure the brush tool is selected and just click play. So Photoshop automatically draws the text for you. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful for you. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.